Well, hello. When it comes to your food scraps, in the comments box below, let me know where you store your food scraps. And what I use to store my food scraps is this ice cream bucket. The thing that I don't like about this bucket is if the lid is not securely on there, you're going to have issues. Air will get into this. It will allow the smell to come out. And also, if it's not on there tight and sealed correctly, you can have issues with fruit flies and other bugs getting into this. So what I did, I changed things up, and I use this now with the lid that is, the twistable lid. You put it on and it's securely on there. And what you can do is within the week, use your food scraps. I place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes, let the food thaw, let the food freeze. And then I thaw it out and give this to my worms. So if you want to know how to prevent your compost from stinking, here's another video to watch right here.